Hello everyone, my name is Samsuddas and in this little video I'll show you how you can create this simple little website with semantic UI. You don't need to know anything, you just need to know basics of HTML and CSS and you are ready to go. You can see this is the menu I created with semantic UI. I added there an logo. There is the different menu section, the main text of this landing page, and this is the fixed background. I'll do this in this video, so don't worry. And here I used the grid system of semantic UI. You need to go semantic UI official website. Just search on Google semantic UI semantic UI. You can find the first page, first link, that is the main home page of semantic UI. If something went wrong with you, you can go this semantic UI, this my project GitHub repository. Make sure this branch is corporate web and download or clone. Okay, you just need to know the basic of HTML and CSS and you are ready to go. Click on get started. Download this zip. I already downloaded, so I am just going to the location where I downloaded this file. It's compressed file. Double clicking on it. I have WinRAR installed. If you don't have WinRAR, don't worry, you can do this by right clicking and extract here this root folder. Just copy these two files, copy and paste it inside any folder you want. I'm going to paste it inside my desktops. I'm going to create a new folder in desktop, that is corporate, dragging and dropping inside corporate, creating three more folder actually, CSS, JS and image, img. Okay, this CSS file will go to the CSS folder and JS inside JS. Inside CSS I am going to create one more file, that is style.css. okay, now I will use this text editor, that is Visual Studio Code. You can use Atom or Sublime Text or anything you want. Go to File, add folder to the workspace. Okay, I created the folder inside this desktop. From here I will create two more files, that is main.js, and inside my root folder I will create index.js. okay, sorry, index.html, not js. This is gonna be html. okay, we are ready to go. Here for the basic syntax I will press shift 1 and tab. It will give you basic syntax of HTML. Change the titles corporate. Okay, here I will include all a CSS and JS link. Okay, just press link and enter. In Sublime Text it will give the link tag with this rel and href. Okay, just write css slash semantic min.css. Just copy this and paste it below this link, and link to this our style.css. okay, here I will include the javascript file, script source. This is the advantage of Visual Studio Code, so that I really like Visual Studio Code. js slash semantic min.js script src js slash main.js. One more thing I need to add, that is search for jquery, and right, and this is asking for captcha. Download jquery from this website jquery.com/download. Download this production version if you want to use this jQuery for your production purpose. Ctrl A for select all and Ctrl C for copy. Make a new file inside this jquery min.js. One more thing, you can use cdn link, but I like to use this way. Download all this file and paste. This is little bit faster, and we can run offline, so I like this way. Okay, add cdn above all of the script tag, script script :src, enter js slash jquery min.js. Let's create the header or menu. ACADER hash SHOWCASE showcase, because this is gonna be our showcase. I'll create a menu in header. Just write .ui.sta ckable.inverted dot accondary dot menu hash menu. This is the format init help to make any CSS or HTML shortcut form, so we can write code easily and fast. If you don't have this emit installed on your code editor, you can install. I think on Visual Studio Code we don't need emit to write this short form of code. Just write like this and press tab. One more time I'll show you. Press Ctrl Z, menu. Here you can see I write full stop of all the class name. Here the UI class in stackable, inverted, secondary, and menu. All of these are those are classes. Before the ID I written this hash and press tab. You see, this is the menu and this is ID. So this way we can write shortly and fast our HTML and CSS code. Okay, I will wrap this inside container ui.container UI container. Remember, every time we write semantic UI code, you need to write this every class. You need to write this UI before every class name. Okay, this is container class. This will wrap our main content or menu, anything we want to wrap, that will be inside this container. Okay. Okay, let's add an logo. So dot item, this will be our menu item. Inside this menu item I will add an image of logo. Okay, let's add this on. Just write img slash img means this will look for this ing folder. This is the image source tag, so this will look for the img folder, and from there I am showing this logo.png image. Okay, attribute will be logo. Okay, save. Let's see how our website looks. Just go to the folder and double click on index.html. This is the logo. Create one more menu .menu .rizht. This menu will be gone to the right side. item, sorry, this will be a tag, a.item. A means the link. I don't want to go anywhere when it clicks, so I am just going to make it blank. This link will be home. Copy, paste it below 4 more times. Home, about, services, services, contact, and last one will be nodejs. Okay, let's see how it's look. It's look perfect. I think you can't see anything because this class, this inverted class, if I remove this inverted class and save this, this is naturally the color is black, but inverted means this color will be inverted. So Ctrl Z, and every elements we need to write UI before, you know that. And this is the menu, so that this class is menu class, and we will use this secondary menu. You can find this on Semantic UI docs. There are different kind of menu. Okay guys, let's create the main text. Below the menu, .ui .tw column, we want 2 column. We'll use grid here. And here we want 2 column and 1 row. Padded for little bit padding. If you know basic CSS, you know what is padding. I will not explain here. Is on header on. The best choice for creative. The best I see for reactjs. This is the header of our website. P. Okay, I will just copy the text from the internet and paste it inside there. Just press Shift Alt F for reformat your code. Extension, yes, beautiful extension. Just press Shift Alt F. It will work. It will reformat the code for you. Okay. I want this creative text to be green. So how we can do this? Just surround with the block tag. Surround the creative with this block tag here, and just make the class name UI GREEN ACADER. This will be green. This is showing green, but all those formatting are gone. So what we can do? Something went wrong, I think. Give the row and column. Just write dot row w dot som txt. This class is for our custom CSS. This home text class. We will use custom CSS inside this class. Okay. One more thing I need to do, that is column, LUMN. Okay. Inside this column we are giving this text. One thing, we want 2 columns inside our grid, but we are giving only 1 column. Second column will be blank, so we will show the text inside only left hand side, nothing in the right hand side. Okay, but something is going wrong. So what is going wrong? Want to wrap that inside UI.container container. Wrap that inside container. So I name that wrong, COLU. Save it and see how it's look now. It's wrap it to the 1 column, and another column is on this side, but this side is blank. Remember, we didn't give any second column, so this second column is blank. Next I will add some custom CSS to the website. Okay, remember we made a file inside this CSS, that is style.css, but we haven't any style, so we will style first this showcase. We made a ID of showcase. Just write like this. This is the white color, all of the text will be white, and this height means our view height 100%. That means our full height will be full page. Image name is Sia Sunset. / it will show the name of our image. Save, and if I refresh my page, it will show this image. It's look perfect to me. Okay, let's go ahead to working on the project. Made a ID, this menu ID. Okay, I don't want to waste time to writing CSS. So I'm just copying and pasting to this folder. This is menu. If the menu is an ID, so we need to write this hash before your ID name, and background color will be little bit dark, and there will be a small shadow below this menu. Save this. On this menu little bit wider or little bit height. We want to increase the height. Right, ACIGST, and to make it 60 pixels, 60px. I want to take down this text to little bit below. I want to add some margin. Just go to your text editor, and here on this I added a class that is home/text. I want to use that class. If you want to use class, you need to give an full stop before the class name, and margin top I want to 200 pixel as the margin of my top side, so this text will be come down. One more thing, I want to add custom CDN to my project for icons. So just write semantics CDN. So search on Google. You can find it on cdnjs.com, this website. Just search for icon.min.css. I got it, this one. I am searching for this one. Just copy and paste it in index.html in the link. Just write lint. Somehow I want to customly add this in my project folder. Somehow that doesn't work for me, so I'm just going to add the CDN. This is working to me. If this one doesn't work to you, you just need to add custom this file icon.min.css like this, like we added semantic min.css this way. Okay, now the header part is done. Go for the next part. View section. First one will be UI. Sorry, I always forget to write a full stop before writing anything. UI.container tab div, nothing is the class inside div dot UI dot center lizned dot acat. This is our header text, and this will be aligned to the center. Just tab it, exploreapaturs. Okay. Sorry, this one will be Control D, is on header on. Write p tag below there. Enter LOREM. This sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work for me. Okay, I want to delete half of this text. I don't want full text here. And below this header part, I want to add a grid system. Just write UI dot DSREE COLUMN. Make sure the classes are correct spelled. CRID tab. This will be add this way we can add 3 columns in our grid. Or how many columns we want to add, we need to write there. We can add up to 16 columns inside a grid, inside a for our semantic UI website. Okay, I will take a row w row, and I will style inside this tag style margin top 50 pixel. Okay, that will look perfect. Raw and columns dot column column. Okay, now I want a icon, and that icon will be center of our text. Before that, I want to wrap that inside a segment, that means inside a box. Just write dot accment. One more class we need to write before that. Just write dot UI dot segment. Okay, inside this segment, this is the box. This will add little bit of shadow in our website. Okay, dot UI dot center dot aligned dot icon. I will add an icon. I said before, cater. I will add an icon as header, so I just add this header class. I will add an I tag. For icon we need to write I tag. You know that if you use HTML or CSS before. GREEN. Our icon color will be green. LIFE. There are few color in semantic UI. You can write green, red, blue. Live ring live ring dot outline. That is our icon name. And at last we need to write icon in every icon. Okay, you can find all of the icon name inside semantic UI. Go to this document page, you can go there, getting started, just scroll down, and you can see an item icon. Here you can find all of those classes. For example, I want to use this address card. I just need to copy this copy and paste it inside this. This is the name, address card outline, outline, address card outline. Okay, Okay, below my icon I will add s4 for my header ui.acatpr. Header, the header text will be unlimited unlimited fatures features. Okay, go down and write a p tag, add a class. The class name, the class will be center. We don't need any class here. I will just write the text lorem, lorem. I want to delete this part. I think this should look perfect. This is how it will look. Let's add two more item on this column, on this row. In this row we have two more column. We added already one column. This is 3 column grid, so we added already one column. We can add 2 more column. Okay, copy this and paste it below 2 more times. For Shift Alt F for reformat your code, and just reload the page. You can see this is theory. I want to add one more row with 3 column, so just go there, go Ctrl C, paste it below, Ctrl Shift Alt F for reformat or beautify your code. Reload the page, it will add 3 more column. Okay, it seems perfect to me. Okay, if you got any problem, feel free to ask me, or you can go to the GitHub repository I made for you. I'll add that link on the description on my video. You can go there. In branch of 1 you can find this source code. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want more tutorial like this, please let me know below on the comment box. I'll create more videos for you. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you don't like this video, please dislike. Feel free to dislike, I guess. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.